Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Good evening. This is Pamela Houston with the 7 o'clock news. Corona outbreak in Jamaica. Corona again, man. We can't get something else for read. We don't want to read about the corona, man. Let's take back this again. We don't want to read about the corona.
Pamela, you have to read the news. You have to read the news as is. The people need to know the news.
So we have to talk about corona every
That is what is happening in the country.
So the first thing come on is corona as we start the news?
Yes.
We can't start with something else?
That is what is correct.
So we can't start with something else?
No.
You didn't say that corona, no. You better put that in the spot.
You're live.
I'm live?
Yes.
Oh my God. People understand Jamaica with them. When I'm frustrated. Fix up myself. Am I live? Oh, I'm live? Oh, I'm live. Oh, no, Jesus. Sorry. Just in the news. There is still currently no case in Hanover. As we never saw this a long ago. The cruise ship that is housing... In your hot man, turn up your AC, the man. Oh, yeah. The cruise ship that is housing... Who feels so hot? Turn up your AC, man. I feel hot.
Pamela, please can you read the
news? Hot.
Oh my God.
Don't be hot and read news at the same time.
Oh my God.
We're live?
Yes,
right.
we are live.
Go live now. The cruise ship that is currently housing 1,000 Jamaicans has finally docked in Falmouth. Glad to hear that. People them suffer too long out in the sea.
Pamela, can you please read the news as you see it on the...
Family out there, stressed out, and family out there.
Oh my God, I'm stressed out.
Well, that's it for Corona. I'm done with Corona right here.
Please read the next slide.
Woman chopped man in retaliation of domestic violence. Sounds interesting.
Don't give your opinion, Pamela. Just read the news.
After severely beaten, she retaliated by giving him several chops. He's now in the hospital recovering from his injuries. I'm lucky. B2 man one time I beat the B2 one night, B2 one day.
Pamela.
CXC is on schedule. Repeat them about the CXC now.
Pamela.
Corona, yeah.
Pamela.
How am I going to CXC?
Pamela.
How am I going to CXC? Like, how am I going to do it?
Pamela, if you go off script one more time, you are fired.
How will they manage CXC in...
Pamela, that is not in the script.
Okay. News just in from the office of the Prime Minister. There's no new case of the coronavirus. Yeah! So good to hear, If I was talking about where it comes from, Peter L. Be gone and over. The case along there, be gone and over.
Pamela, you cannot go to Jesus Christ. Why is she read the news like she supposed?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to me carefully because I do not want anyone to misunderstand the things that I am about to say. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, there is a video that is out on social media where pieces of videos had been put together and put out there on social media. You get what I'm saying to you? And these pieces of videos that had been put together and put out there on social media shows a person who goes by the name of The Angel. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, according to some of the things that had been said on social media and according to some of the things that The Angel had said, it gave me the understanding that she's saying that she got fired from a news reporting job. You get what I'm saying to you? But however, viewers and subscribers, I look at these pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media, and I think that this whole thing might be a publicity stunt or just a act. Now, I might be right and I might be wrong, but I'm just giving you, my viewers and subscribers, my opinions and point of view about some things that The Angel had said that gave me the understanding that she's saying that she got fired from a news reporting job. You see what I'm saying to you? And viewers and subscribers, you can tell me if I am right or if I am wrong. You get me? Yeah. And I also have a video that is out on social media that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video claimed to have been recorded live. Now, The Angel is in this video, and it is said that The Angel was talking to persons, and the angel said some things that gave me the understanding that the angel is saying that she got fired from this news reporting job. Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that I have no confirmed informations as to if the angel actually had been fired from a news reporting job. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, one of the reasons why I think that this whole thing might be just a publicity stunt or just a act is that when I look at the video that shows off pieces of videos that had been put together and put out there on social media, and allegations are that the angel was doing a news reporting job. Basically, it is said that she was a news reporter, right? The angel used the name Pamela Houston, but however, I did some research and I found reports from in the past, like years ago, you see what I'm saying to you, and also on Wikipedia, and according to those informations that I got, it is said that the angel's real name is Michelle Downer. You get what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, I am basically doing this whole video to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Here's what I'm saying to you, and I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos and you can also tell me what you think. Here's what I'm saying to you. You can tell me if you think that this whole thing is a publicity stunt, or if it is just a act, or if it is just for entertainment purposes and other things as well. You get what I'm saying to you? Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you the video where it is said that the angel was talking to persons, and according to some of the things that she had said, you know, it gave me the understanding that she's saying that she got fired from this news reporting job. And after I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you the rest of the pieces videos that had been put together and put out there on social media. And allegations are that those pieces of videos that had been put together and put out there on social media, it is said that the angel was doing news report job or news reporting job. You get what I'm saying to you? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, here is the video where it is said that the angel was talking to persons, and it is said that she got fired from this job. You see what I'm saying to you? All right, so take a look, listen, and observe.
You me say Pamela, you stand this.
Pamela,
don't upset me.
no, don't upset. Calm down, sweetie, calm down.
All right.
You can hear me now?
Yeah, me hear you good, but me not see you.
I don't know why, and I really wanted to show my pretty face, but anyway.
Show me the one see you, you know. As I say, them can't stand me because we're too pretty. We're too pretty for them.
I'm telling you, listen to me. I was talking about this on my live.
Yeah.
All the bloggers in Jamaica, they just want to talk about the violence that is going on and kill this and kill that and kill this.
I said, I never read it. I said, I never read it, and then fire me because I never read it.
But
then fire me because I never read it.
You are blessed and you did the right thing, you made the right decision, because everywhere is going on with killing. We are getting killing in the UK. We have killing in America. They're not talking about it on the news right now. They're just talking about COVID. Straight up.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Why is it every day you come on the media and just talking about all these killing that is going on? Not saying we're not supposed to talk about it, but we need to talk about some positive things right now.
That's why I never cover it, and them ignorant from because I never cover it. I read the news and I talk the good things that people they want to hear. I'm improvised and all these things. I never mentioned that. But I'm so happy you enjoyed it. You enjoyed the news?
Of course I did, Angel. Angel, you did so good. Congratulations to you. Pamela, give it
Pamela!
Congratulations. And don't worry yourself. Keep your head high, honey. We need to talk about charities that is helping poor people. Not killing. I see
exactly
charities as well, which is a wonderful job.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. When me link Angel, I'm gonna make sure come on live and talk about all the other things there. But right now, Pamela mode in a Pamela mode. Woman, Pamela mode. So big up yourself, mama. I want you to go watch the news and tell me when we start running the news.
I watch it.
I want to watch it again.
Woman power. Woman
power all the way. Did you comment? Did you comment?
I didn't comment on the news. But now
Don't comment now.
I am gonna
comment.
And I will give
Because
somebody
me want
the ring.
you to tell me, you the fans, tell me
Yes.
and the audience and the people them in the world, tell me when me say I do wrong for them fire me. Well, comment now. I shall go back and take another call or two.
And yes, and what I want you to do for me, please, Angel, before I leave, not here to stay. Just let the ladies and the world know this is what we have to start thinking, our thinking box, what we're going to do when this pandemic finish. Because this is what I was telling them today. We're going to lose our jobs. No, loads of us without no notification. No notification, they're going to fire you.
Just like what they do, me. Just like what they do. A real life issues. Let me tell you something.
Right.
A real life issues Pamela deal with. Real life issues, mama. And we're going to talk again here.
Of course.
Big up
And God
yourself.
bless you and big up everyone on the live. God bless you all.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
God bless.
That's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, people. Oh, yeah, people. So I talk my truth. I'm going to speak the truth. I'm going to speak it ever because it's causing what it will. You understand myself? So here I go on. I don't know more than talking. But I just want to go over there. Somebody come in again for request me. But I just want to go over there. Go see which part me do wrong. When me do wrong or I say wrong. That's that me want. Hopefully I can see this person's face.
What's up?
Yeah, this is Pamela Houston. What go on?
I'm there.
You enjoy the news? You like the news?
Yeah, me like it. Yeah.
What me do wrong for the news for them fire me? Tell me what me do wrong or I say wrong. Talk it truth. What me do wrong or I say wrong?
You're not doing wrong. Me like him watching.
I don't forget about me right now because them fire me for run a news place. I may never do nothing wrong. I'm supposed to come on tonight, 7 o'clock, and them fire me. Then say them now. But other company I have called me right now for hire me, so them can't stay. Let's be people them are checking. We're watching the news.
That come watch you and it go on good.
But as long as you're good, me good. As long as you're good, me good. But you shall see me in other places, here. So tell everybody you shall see me in other places. So when you go over there again, go watch the news again and tell me if I say something wrong. Just tell me the truth. And I want you to make a comment underneath the news and tell me what I do wrong. Here? Quite so. So people, that's it. It's me. I think it's fair for people deal with people. So you understand what I say? For mankind, your own mankind deal with people. So because I work hard for them, I do my best. You understand what I say? I want them to give me the crap to us in thing, but improvise. I'm gonna do the right thing. Yeah. But so right now, I'm glad I buy two. I say, let's look at things I'm smart. I'm glad I buy, invest in my own and buy two look at us. So no soon see me, I bet things Pamela go on with. So here I go on now, I have news for them because bag of people are calling me for hire me. Bag of people, because me make news nice, but don't talk.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, again I'm going to say this to you, my viewers and subscribers. I have no confirmed informations as to if D'Angel had been fired from a news reporting job. You understand me? I am only presenting these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. And you know, the things that I told you about this whole thing is according to some things that had been said on social media about this whole thing, and according to some of the things that D'Angel had said about this whole thing, where it is said that she got fired from this news reporting job. All right. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave the rest of the pieces of videos that had been put together and put out there on social media. And allegations are that these pieces of videos shows the person who is known as D'Angel doing a news reporting job, you see me? And I'm leaving this whole thing with some questions, you see me? Is this whole thing a publicity stunt? Is it that this whole thing is just a act, or is it just for entertainment purpose, or what? You know, let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. All right, yeah. And here's where I leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here is the rest of the pieces of videos that had been put together and put out there on social media that shows the person who is known as the Angel. Take a look, listen, and observe.
This runs to the man in quarantine. Popularize, woman, lady. Oh, where did Tara? Woman. I'm reading the news, thank you. One them should have pat down,
Pamela, read the news. Jesus,
Never pat down.
We have makeup artists on set for that. Oh Lord Jesus.
You're lucky. Make look good on TV. You're not easy. People look for me.
Continue with the news, please.
This grunted man in quarantine got upset after food was dashed out to him in a distasteful manner. What are upset so? Call the man all pig up come talk about it. The man say no want the food. You give the man food. The man no say no yum. If you're a vegetarian, you don't eat certain food. You give the man the food and that's about him to eat on it. Like the man a pig. That boy, yeah fish. You fish then you have fish. How dare you?
Pamela, is that in the script?
Discrimination. In entertainment news, Beenie Man and Bounty Killer versus online battle. I walk to the back of the car, I know something at today. I know something at in
Pamela, where the hell you get pot cover from?
It's in the script. Oh, don't watch the Clash people. What
If
me?
you go off script one more time, I am going to
Me I
fire
read the
you.
news, sir. Fire me now because I don't really care right now. People them do it for the culture, them go hard. From the bar, I never see so much blue tick yet. Every time I read the news, I'm going to obstruct me. They tell them to leave now in Jesus' name. People, I never see so much blue tick from the barn. Everybody lucky, all the children from England. I'm not like, I'm about to kill out on the do it for the culture. I'm proud of them. I'm not like Jamaica proud of them. People, so they drop the angel and they mix. I'm telling about it still. When I time I think the Sierra watch, you know, Sierra, I have a fan page or a fear page. I'll comment when I time I say back. Yeah, me Sierra, blood agent, back fear girl, good enough from girl, good up people tell about it. Seriously, we say all police go for like all people them something, and them talk about it and the angel call police, what a wicked set up pay for them. But also them girl, have a girl from Spanish Town, them girl are not informed, should have never do something like that. It's because the police when they never want to be that guy, I sure don't want to be that girl. Why is that in news? Can you say you say you're gonna fire me? We still live?
Yes, we're still live.
You don't understand. Every time I talk to you, we live.
You keep leaving.
Alright.
Ma'am,
Alright.
you're a news anchor. Everything is live. So remember, we
Let me
have
anchor.
to throw two.
Let me anchor.
Yes. So remember, we have a live conference call with Dion Jackson Miller at 8.
Who?
Dion Jackson Miller. So you have to be here for that.
Me not there.
What you mean you're not going to be here? It's a part of your
I
job.
won't be here. She tell life I'm an artist already. Me not there, please. She tell life I'm an artist already. I'm not there.
That is not.
Me don't care what you want. So me not there.
Jesus. How am I supposed to deal with situations like this now? Pamela, you have to come back and finish the news.
Name him Lord God. And that was the 7 o'clock news. Join me tomorrow for news at 7.
Pamela, this is
Yes.
your last night on TV.
You really?
You will never work in this industry.
But I do
again.
good. People never like me. People never like the news here. Fire me. Second time follow me. Fire me now. But I tell me my second time fire me now. And I know the people them don't like me. Me can't get work anywhere else. All wicked. I look at me work hard for now.
Pamela, is it a me
look
or
how me work hard for
and it's
now.
not me. It's
Look
not
how me
me
work
tonight.
hard. Are you gonna really fire me? Look how me work hard. People talk short. If him fire me, we know somebody else will hire me. You're going to one in the station. Go where you go and go. Where you go? Watch me and you hear?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.